Hello, folks. I watched all the content in Dreamforce and let me tell you what I thought. I wrote a blog post about this, but I will give you a brief overview of my thinking here. Now, number one, Agentforce is everything. We had Agentforce pretty much in all keynotes and presentations at Dreamforce. Now, this is going to be an important theme going forward, and it is like in the center of the main stage. Number two, data cloud is still important. My understanding from all the presentations is that data cloud is kind of required if you want to leverage Agentforce. Now we'll see how that plays out in the near future, but in any case, Salesforce is emphasizing the importance of data cloud for the clients out there who want to leverage the AI capabilities. The conversational interface is where things are going. Now, you may have realized, or maybe you have not really paid attention, that pretty much throughout all the presentations, Salesforce showed us a new way of interacting with our CRM. Now, the days of kind of clicking on things, turning sliders on and off, and picking things in a multi-select pick list environment, like moving things from left to right, whatever, are over. Now, we are going to converse with our CRM, initially probably by typing, and in the future by talking, right? This is an important shift. The ROI now takes center stage. That's another theme here. Now, I see that last year, for example, Salesforce emphasized the trust layer and how we need to be cautious implementing AI, and there are companies out there taking uncalculated risks. But this year we still have the trust layer, but at the same time the emphasis is more on return on investment and the staff that you will save by implementing Agentforce, for example, rather than emphasizing the trust layer aspect of the topic. Well, another topic that surfaced is the Slack's Salesforce channels. Slack announced a new functionality called Salesforce channels. Now you are going to be able to create a channel in Slack that will be linked to any of your Salesforce records. And that conversation that you have inside that channel will be displayed on the Lightning record page in Salesforce. So this is kind of the first attempt for Slack to replace Chatter for some clients who already use Slack, for example. We'll see how that plays out. It's coming in the near future. And one more important announcement right before Dreamforce was that we are going to have now Salesforce Foundations, and this is a free offering for most clients that will bring us sales, service, marketing, commerce, and data cloud features in a new UI, right? So if you are an enterprise license holder, you can ask for your account executive to activate Salesforce Foundations for you, which will give you new functionalities, right? This is a good way for you to try things out on the platform, especially if you're a medium enterprise and you don't really have all these various functionalities already implemented. You can try things out by activating Salesforce Foundations. It's a free upgrade, so great news. And one final note is I watched the admin keynote and I didn't really think the content there was fit exactly for the admin audience. There was a lot of talk about Agentforce, data cloud, and all kinds of other things. There was mention of the new user management functionalities and so on. But we are seeing Salesforce is kind of shifting the content for the admin audience. Whether that's because Salesforce wants to sell these new products to this audience, which is understandable, or is this a conscious effort for Salesforce to kind of change the scope of an admin role That remains to be seen, but it's also an important thing to call out here. We are going to have discussions in the near future about this. And one final announcement, do not forget Salesforce announced that you can get some of their AI certifications for free now. In fact, they are even reimbursing some people who have paid for the certification exam. And in some big cities, they are offering even free training. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you.